This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. Looking for a character home with a little extra charm and yet, you don't want to buy a project needing improvements? Great news, this remodeled craftsman-style home on historic Front Street in Lynden features new flooring and paint, full kitchen remodel West/stainless appliances, kitchen island, and so much more. Move-in ready. Main floor features 2 bedrooms, 2 bath with ensuite off primary. Open kitchen layout perfect for entertaining, flat screen TV already mounted. Fully finished basement with additional living area, and 2 bonus/bedrooms. Walkability is a 10+ close to downtown shops and restaurants. Upgraded covered porch makes for a welcoming entry. Fully fenced backyard west/patio. Oversized detached garage, tons of storage space. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.